In this video, I'll show you how you can create reusable Gutenberg blocks which you can reuse on various places on your website. Coming up. Hi, my name is Ankit and welcome to ankitsharma.tv, where we create videos related to WordPress, social media marketing and search engine optimization. So if you are new here, consider subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload a new video. Alright, so when we are writing the content on our website or maybe on our WordPress blog, there are certain times when we want a certain section of code block or maybe certain section of content that we want to repeatedly use on various places. So it will be really helpful if we can create that particular section of content as a reusable block, and then we can easily use that on various places on our website. Now, if you are an Elementor user, you might know that this can be easily done by creating section layouts and then saving it into the library and then reusing it at different places on the website. But let's see how we can do that in Gutenberg. So for that, let's see if I am on my website. We have the content here, and most of the time I add videos on my blog post, and below that I want a subscribe button which will be linking to my YouTube page. So I want this button to be a reusable block so that I do not have to add this button again and again and type in my YouTube channel URL. So this will be a little bit of time saving. So we will be creating this button as a reusable block and then use this block on different pages. So let's see how it is done. So first of all, I click on this content and we will add a block before this content. So let's say if I have a video, so I'll just go ahead and paste the video URL. So this will add the video here. And let's say below that I need to add a subscribe button. So I'll name it as subscribe. Alright, so let's go ahead and change the color settings. The text color will be white, the background would be red, and let's align it to center. And let's go ahead and link it to our YouTube channel. So we will add the link of the YouTube channel here. So this link will actually redirect the users to the YouTube page where they can subscribe to the channel. And I'll make this open a new tab. Hit on enter. So let's go ahead and convert it to a reusable block. So we'll click on these three dots, and here we have an option. It says add to reusable blocks. So now it's asking us to give it a name. So we will add as subs btn just to give it a name, and we'll save it. So now our button with the URL to our channel is now a reusable block. So I can call this button anywhere on my website. So let's go ahead and test it. So let's say I am on my home page and here I have some content, and below that let's go ahead and add a YouTube video link. So I'll just paste a link here, and now below this video we will be adding our reusable block, the subscribe button. So we will go ahead and search for that. So once we click on this plus sign, we can go ahead and search our reusable block. Let's see if that shows up. So here is our reusable block. We will click on that, and now we have our subscribe button here. So let's go ahead and update this page and let's see if that works on the front end. So we go to the front end. Alright, so this is the about page. We have the content here, and below that we have the video, and below that we have our call to action button, subscribe. So we can click on this button and you can see that it's redirecting to the channel. So that's perfect. Let's see how it looks on the home page. So we go back to the home page, and here we have the video, and below that we have our call to action button. Once again we click on that and it goes back to the same URL of our YouTube channel. So this is how we can create a reusable block using Gutenberg and then add it to anywhere on our website. So one thing we need to keep in mind, whenever we update anything on this reusable block, it will be reflecting on all the pages where we are using this block. So let me show you how it is done. So we go back to our edit page. So let's say instead of subscribe, I want to change this text and call it subscribe now. Instead of going to all the pages and again type in subscribe now instead of subscribe, I just go ahead and edit the reusable block and it will be automatically replaced on all the pages. So for that, I need to go to the manage reusable block section. So we need to click on any plus icon or maybe from here. And here you see that we have a separate section of reusable blocks. So we have some reusable blocks added here. So to edit a particular reusable block, you need to click on manage all reusable blocks. It will go in the section of blocks. I wish this section could be added in the menu on the left, so it'll be a little bit easier to access. So here is the list of all the reusable blocks that we have created. We can go ahead and export this as a JSON file so once you create a reusable block on one website, you can export that and then use it on any other website using Gutenberg. So we will go ahead and click on edit for this one. And now we will click on this button and instead of subscribe, we will call it subscribe now. So once we are done, we can just go ahead and click on update. So hopefully all the pages will be updated now. So let's go back to our front end. Let's refresh this page. And now we can see that instead of subscribe, it's now showing subscribe now. So let's go back to our about page and see if that is working there as well. Alright, so we have the about page here. And as you can see, the button now says subscribe now. So this is how we can update the content in the reusable block and it will be reflecting on all the pages. So this is just a quick tutorial to show you how you can create and use these reusable blocks on your WordPress website. And I hope this will make your content creation work a little bit easier. If that's so, then make sure you hit the like button for this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And I'll see you in the next one.